hold on, I got my whistle here. Ladies assemble directly and gather round. It is time for Captain Jack Sparrow's pirate tutorial. Now explode for me. Come on. If you wish to learn useful and important survival skills, as can only be taught by Captain Jack Sparrow, up and gather round as his arrival is, and it's imminent. Hey, yeah. See, this be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, of course, as soon as he gets here. Well, once again, my name is Mac. Everybody say hello, Mac. I can't hear you. Hello, Mac. And I'm here acting under the direct orders of Captain Sparrow. You know what he says to me? He says, go under the square and gather the ground for the fires as you make sure that the local can You wouldn't be with the authorities, would you? No, well, at least there's some good in that, eh? Because here you are, here I am, and the good captain, of course, is nowhere to be found. What's there to do?
All you can do is wait.
And a fine thing it is, here we stand waiting around for Jack Sparrow.
Captain Jack Sparrow, if you please.
Well, of course, Captain Jack Sparrow.
Of course.
Look behind you!
Hello, mate.
Captain Jack Sparrow has arrived, all hands on deck.
Well, thanks to you all. You're all far too kind. Oh, Mike.
Hey.
Well done. You've finally done as I asked, eh? Even in spite of yourself. Well done. So, it's a pirate's life you all claim to seek, eh? Strange. You don't all seem like the usual sort attracted to the lure of this dark profession. Well, perhaps I've misjudged you, eh? Do you seek adventure?
Well, the captain asked, do you seek adventure?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you seek a reputation as someone to be reckoned with? Do you seek treasure beyond your wildest dreams? Well, it don't come easy. Savvy? Well, that's it takes skill.
Skill.
Takes cunning.
Cunning.
Takes talent. Very often takes patience.
Oh, yes, and very often it takes a lot of patience.
Good idea. So, let's put a lot of you to the test and see if you have what it takes, eh? Or you...
Excuse me.
Where'd you go?
Kevin.
Mike?
Kevin.
They're gone.
Kevin.
They disappeared.
Kevin.
They turned into leaves. Look at where they are. They've all... Hello.
Well, at least we know where the rum went now, don't we?
Most of it.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you ready?
Captain, I'm really just trying to help, Captain.
Oh no. Don't.
Sorry.
Now then, looting and plundering may be all well and good, but the sailing that it takes to get there can be very hard work.
It's true.
So, let's get you all working on some necessary skills, eh? Everyone throw your strong right arms up high in the air.
Come on, you swabs up in the air with your starboard sides, eh?
Nicely done. All right, put them down.
Right arm.
Now raise up your strong left arm.
Up with your port side, mates. Your other left arm, son. The other left arm. There you go.
There you go. Now, use them both, hand over hand, like you're raising the sails of the Pearlers, don't they?
Hoist the main, you landlubbers.
All right.
Stop. Pull.
Ah.
Stop. Pull.
I saw some potential in some of you,
Oh, yeah, sure, yeah.
and as usual, not any at all in another.
Oh, no. No.
Do you know who I'm talking about?
No.
You?
Me?
Yes.
No.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now, at some point during your piratical career, you might happen to find yourself on the wrong side of an argument with your captain or with your crewmates.
Or both. Based on your experiences, of course, Captain. He knows what I'm talking about, right?
Or both, based on my experiences. Should that occur, based on my experiences, you'll probably find yourself, how should I put it?
Oh, how about, maroon? In accordance with the Pirates Code, of course, Captain. Sir?
Should that occur, and a ship should happen to pass by, and you should wish to save yourself, you need to attract some attention, wouldn't you?
I guess.
So